Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be explaining about pattern and an answer for the previous year Nift CAT question. Here the question is given: draw a pattern in the given grid using any three of the following motifs and also explain the concept. So these are the motifs given to draw as a pattern. Here we'll try to fare this drawing. First of all, there is a question motif given, and many of them asking the question is whether we have to use the sketch pen or brush pen or some other material to Nift and NID. Whenever I am making video tutorials for design aptitude examination, I am just using sketch pen, brush pen. In some cases I am using color pencils. Okay, so these all the material I am using because to make the tutorial and the drawings properly visible to you. So that is the reason it has to reach to you properly. So that is the reason we are using different kind of materials like sketch pen, brush pen and other things. Here the question is whether we should use it or not in kind of this aptitude examination. I suggest you please go through the question and whatever they have asked in the question, according to the question you have to answer. In some of the previous year Nift and CAT, Nift and NID and other design aptitude examination, they allowed to use marker, felt tip pen and dry color pencils. Dry colors means you shouldn't use oil colors, oil pastels or some other thing, watercolor or poster color. You are allowed to use color pencil and other medium. Okay, so definitely you have to go for according to the requirement of the question. In the question itself they will give you what are the material you can use. Otherwise, before the question they will be mentioning what are the materials or what are the drawing materials like pencil or only graphite pencil or color pencil. They will definitely give you the instruction. So it's better go through the instruction, whatever necessary you have to use it. Okay, before going to the answer drawing, we'll try to help you what is a pattern, how it can be drawn. Pattern is repeated design. It may be a geometrical element, geometrical shapes, it may be a color or organic or natural element. Whatever element can be repeated in a rhythmic manner to used for textile industry, and it can be used in a different manner. Okay, so any repeated pattern will give you harmonious visual balance to the eyes. So we won't get bored when we seeing the kind of a pattern, whatever most of the product we are using, costumes and other things comes with different patterns, and all around us we are using a different pattern in most of the products. So we'll try understand, here I'll try to make a very simple pattern. Okay, so I have a grid. Usually they will give you square type of grids only, but here in the question it was given as a rectangular type of a grid. We will try understand with the square type of a grid, and then we can go to the rectangular type of grids. So to make a pattern, I have taken as a center point just to make a very simple pattern, geometrical pattern. I'm not going here to make you very difficult. I made a very simple pattern here. I just it is like a flower, or you can have it as a geometrical pattern. Suppose if I want to make a flower design, you can bend it a little bit. So that is up to your creativity and aesthetic beauty on the shape. And this has this was analyzed and observed from a organic flower. Okay, whatever it may be. So to make visual equilibrium, I have used this kind of a pattern. To sketch this out, so we'll make different sketch pens here, as I told you earlier. It's a very simple pattern. Okay, so if you draw this again and again into the grid, I made one flower. This you can reduce into size or make it enlarge. It should be repeated. Okay, if you cut it into if you divide it into half also, that can be repeated very easily. So that is the reason we are using this kind of a pattern. Okay, now here we will try to draw another geometrical pattern, very simple pattern here, to explain what is the pattern. Okay, now in this grids, I'm just dividing equally. I'm just divided. Okay, so each and every square grid have been divided. So this will become a interesting pattern if you change the color one triangle to each other triangle. So that will become a very simple pattern. Okay, so see, I'm not going much complicated designs here. There are much more complicated designs are there into making a pattern design. Now here when I'm fair the drawing, I felt okay, only this is enough. Okay, so that is also possible if you don't want to make the inside the line. Suppose I'm thinking that when I'm fair the drawing, okay, I need to place a circle inside, like square inside like this. So this is also possible. I made it like this. Okay, this is a very simple geometrical pattern. To color, if you wanted to color or shade, give you more contrast to the design, you can shade it. I'm using now equally, symmetrically equal balance here. Suppose if I shade here, it will become equal. To make little changes, what I suggest, so that is up to you, up to your creative experience, drawing experience, how much you have created. So that is all matters. Okay. So now, in the beginning it was something else, and slowly it is changing into some other thing. Now I am making this darker. Opposite. You understand? So this is how it goes. So this is just a geometrical pattern. It can be repeated very easily. So here in this question, it was given organic kind of shape. Okay. So to make it easy, we will try to draw the pattern into this grid. We have to use three motifs from here. I have separated, this three can be combined and this three can be combined. Now we have taken this three. Before making a pattern drawing on this grid, we should understand how the motifs are designed. Here, if you divide into center line, so it is very kind of a triangular shape, and this petal is bigger than this petals. Okay, so you have to have a study, a very simple study how the designs, how the design element is. Okay, this is kind of a triangular shape, and if you divide this equally, and there are four petals are there, so that is all equal, and it's a organic design, not kind of a geometrical design, and this may be little bit coming into a geometrical design, and as well as okay, no problem. So we can convert this also into a organic design, freehand drawing. If we divide this into two equal portion, and again this is having a kind of a triangular three equal petals divided, okay, into a circle. Okay, so this is how we have to understand, try to analyze the design motif, then we can try to convert into the pattern. Now to draw this design element, I made it just this as a center point, and then okay, I tilted little bit. So to draw the design element, I have tilted the design motif. So extend this because the size is very small, the second petal. In all the corners you have to draw. Right. Now in the center portion I have to take another, we have to use 3 motif here. I've taken this element to make it as a center portion. Okay, into this 3, 6, 9 square. Okay, I'm making it a little bigger. If you wanted, you can go for it. Each and every grids also you can make a pattern. That is up to you. Okay, now we have made a rough outline how we can make it as a repeated continuous pattern. Actually, I gone through, this is the version, I drew as a preparatory sketch. But from here, actually, it was totally changed, so the design is like this. But here, it is coming, when I'm making a fair drawing, actually, I thought, okay, this will be suitable to the pattern. So from here, rough drawing, preparatory sketch, okay, this was changed into like this. Okay, these are the elements we use here, and see this, see the transformation. Okay, so that is all possible. Don't stick to what you made as a thumbnail or the rough sketch. Okay, to fare the drawing, I'm using a black sketch pen now. To make this design little contrast, I'm going for a background color. So that is up to you. Now I am making it with only black and white. So if you wanted the question required to color the picture, you can color it. Now let me speed up the video here. Okay, now we came to this end of this video tutorial. So here, as I told you, if you wanted any different color scheme up to the requirement on the question, you can use colors, different colors. Okay, so I hope you like this video tutorial. So share it to your friends and those who need it. Leave a comment, comment. Okay, if you have any queries and question, post it as a comment. And also we are conducting a crash course on basics of drawing, CAD drawing, NID, NATA, and other design courses, crash courses. So if you want to join, you can please call me to the number displayed on the screen. So I hope we will meet again with another important tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.